Well, hey guys, so on this house, we're not really doing a tour today. We finished it. It turned out beautiful. Look how pretty that is. We are at this Britton home in Mustang Lakes, and there was a piece of the roof that was not installed, and Britton did come back and install it, but since the owners haven't got a chance to move in, and none of us want to climb up all the way up on top of that roof because we're way too old to do it and we're going to fall to our deaths, I decided to send the drone up. So I'm going to send the drone up, we're going to look at the roof line, and we're going to see how well the installation and the repair was done. And that's really all this video is. So if you're really bored and you want to watch a drone shot of the top of this Britton home, do so. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video.